What? Let's go. Step too hard when I came in. Got a cross on my neck. I'm preaching the word. I don't care if I get famous. If you ain't G.O.D. or the squad, I promise I don't know what your name is. I keep a Bible on me. Oh God, I ain't tripping if they be hating. I ain't tripping if they be hating. I cannot go for this business. I take me a step and I feel my flesh got an evil intention. I ask for repentance. I hate that I'm sinning and sinning. I'm talking to God. He changing my image. I'm praying to Jesus. He paid off my sins. I can't be late. Got perfect attendance. I'm leaving my flesh. I told you good riddance. You ever did something, regret it. You ever did something, regret it. And it feel like nobody forget it. God told me don't worry, boy, don't even sweat it. Cause I know that he paid for my soul. I ain't talking about cash, I ain't talking about credit. Cause I know where I wanna go, talking about heaven or hell. Do you know where you headed? Gotta be one in the million, can't follow the crowd, that's just like the salmon. The word take me to new places, I'll be right back, text you when I'm landing. God, he the real QB, yeah, he calling the plays and he launching the cannon. It ain't nothing to it, just give me the mic, cause it was the gift I was handed.